So this is Recorra's first foray into electrifying the heaviest part of our fleet. You need batteries that are just really large and powerful to move something that's this heavy. We've estimated that the diesel equivalent would emit about 13 tons of carbon dioxide in a year. For reference, that's about 6 return flights from London to New York. And we'll be using this vehicle for about 7 years. So that's about 90 tons that you're going to be saving just from one vehicle alone.
Landsec's first step to becoming a net zero carbon business is ultimately reducing their operational carbon emissions. And so doing this, they have a target to reduce these emissions by 70% by 2030. So having new electric vehicles such as our RoRo is going to really help them to achieve this goal.
Excited to be the first to use this RoRo. And to get one that's cleaner, greener is only a good thing. We're looking forward to being less polluting for our staff and visitors around here in the local area.
By definition, an electric vehicle doesn't have an internal combustion engine, which means that you don't have any of the carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and particulate matter emissions that cause so many environmental and social problems associated with road freight. So in one fell swoop, you basically eliminate all of those harmful gases that are typically a result of moving something like this.
So having compactors across the 3 biggest Landsec sites, which includes Nova, the RoRo will have a great purpose in significantly reducing carbon emissions through using diesel trucks, as the RoRo will be here consistently week in, week out, collecting and delivering the compactors to and from these sites.
So we primarily use our RoRos for our production waste. That can be everything from scraps of wood, metal, all sorts of different materials that we use to build our sets with. We use these vehicles quite regularly, so it's just a small piece of a bigger puzzle for us.
Electric vehicles, particularly first generation, innovative, really heavy goods vehicles like this, are so much more expensive than their diesel counterparts. That's not destined to be forever, but the companies that make this possible, they need investment to finance the research and development, to find the efficiencies that will drive the costs down. In essence, if you want cheap electric vehicles in 10 years, you need to purchase expensive electric vehicles now.
Reducing the amount of carbon emissions that's coming in and out of these loading bays. Not only do we want to improve the air quality around their buildings, it's also really important in their loading bays and in their waste rooms, where many of the service partners are working day in, day out, obviously emptying the bins. Trucks are coming in and out all the time, and to be underground and in a closed area, it's really important to look after the guys that will work down there and make sure their health is being looked after.
If the nation and London are going to be able to deliver on their environmental goals and their clean air goals, there's just no way around the fact that you have to electrify transport.